What's going on, boys and girls? Jim here, RCAD. Today is Thursday, January 9th, 2025. We're out here behind the RC workshop with my Kyosho Midnight Blizzard, my brother's Kyosho Trail King, and my niece's Kyosho Blizzard 2.0 slash Trail King. We call it the Blizzard King 2.0. It has a Kyosho Trail King front end on it, along with the custom headlights up on the roof. Yeah Racing Ultra Bright LEDs, fore and aft. We have Yeah Racing Ultra Bright LEDs in this one as well, and same thing with my truck. So everything is lighting up pretty good. Kyosho Blizzard 2.0 is pretty much all stock other than the stuff that I added to it. So the drivetrain is stock, motors are stock, running on the stock 2200 milliamp nickel metal battery pack. Only thing that's really aftermarket is the Kyosho Trail King bed that I added to the back, taillights to the back, headlights up here, and the Trail King grill along with the headlights down there. I do some custom trimming to add all that stuff to it, but I think it makes a beautiful difference with the vehicle. I think Kyosho should start doing that, really, in all reality, making that part of the whole Kyosho Blizzard package. So the Kyosho Blizzard King 2.0, Kyosho Trail King, has two Traxxas Titan 370s or 380s in it, 18-turn 380s with two axial AE5 ESCs. Same thing here, two AE5s and two Traxxas Titan 380s. All right, goofing around out here behind our barn, behind the workshop. Quite a bit of snow on the ground. About 8 inches right here, leading into close to 3 feet out there in places. All right, main focus is on the Blizzard King. Go ahead there, Buggy. Yeah, I'd probably just go straight in if you can.
If I can.
There you go. I'm going to try to follow you. Just hold your fire for a second. My vehicle has a hard plastic body on it. Everybody else is running polycarbonate.
Yep.
That'd be a tough climb getting up in there. I'm going to add some footprints to this mess. Yeah, try to get a straight shot. Want your uncle to go past that? Oh, you just need a little bit more speed. A little bit more power on it. You're there, try to go up in a different place. Maybe try to come up over here. Yeah, back straight up, both sticks back. Hey, there you go. Snow is pure powder, so she's just sitting on top of the powder. I had my Vatera K10 Ascender out here earlier today with some monster 2.2 tires. Oh, you got lucky there. And I was getting buried left and right with that truck. Oh, we're buried. Brushless K10 Ascender with Traxxas TRX4 portal axles. And Traxxas BXL 3S Linear system. I'm going to see if I can make it up there, Buggy. Oh, not making it up that way. Yeah, not making it up there. It's a straight up wall. It's been a while since I drove my truck. Well, the tracks seem to be holding up pretty good right at the moment. Knock on wood. All right, don't jinx it. I'm still running on the original plastic tracks that came with my Kyosho Blizzard FR from 2018 or 2019, somewhere in there. Oh, and Bucky talking about tracks, talking about jinxing it. We just blew a track. All right, so the Kyosho Blizzards, to my knowledge, this is something that was recently made known to me, was that they kind of stopped making these for a little while, or they were still in production, but they were just not available, back ordered. And I think it came down to the tracks. Having problems with the tracks. And they have a different part number now compared to the ones that we've had. So right now, I can't tell you how many different sets of tracks we've had on this Kyosho Blizzard 2.0. Quite a few. Quite a few. This is the third set of tracks that we've had on this thing. I'm still running the original set on mine. My brother's still running the original set on his Trail King. But the Blizzard King 2.0, we were going through tracks left and right. So initially I was thinking that it had something to do with our idler wheels on the side. If you pushed in on them and spun them, they spun freely. But if you pulled out on them and tried to spin them, they would lock up just because there's an excess coating of lacquer on the screws. I sanded the lacquer off. These guys spin freely now in whatever direction you're pushing on them. Ultimately, it comes down to the tracks. So new part number on the tracks has a different letter on the end, slightly different than these. So I think they changed up the compound, is the moral of the story. So Buggy's got a blown track. Once again, with the Blizzard King 2.0. This is getting to be a real problem. It's still stock, once again, stock motors. Only thing we changed is lighting and body features on it. Yeah, every time we take it out, she blows a track. Last time we did it, we did our video, our short video, right? And we got that up, and we got the video done, and then we came out here and started messing around afterwards.
Yeah, it was afterwards.
And it was only a couple seconds later. Yeah, she lost the track. All right, so we got another track here that we can add into our SCX 24 courses.
Yeah.
Works out pretty good for making little bridges. Oh, that's a bummer, Buggy.
Man.
Yeah, she's out of commission. All right, well, we got our other two still hanging out over here. If you want, you can put that in the plastic sled, Buggy.
Nice.
Bummer. Oh, the Blizzard King 2.0 down again. Well, we're going to have to get you a new set of tracks, kid.
Yeah.
All right. We got to get new sets for everybody. It's going to be expensive. Really, I think Kyosho owes us a set. I think they owe us 6 tracks, really, in all reality. For all the tracks we put into the Blizzard King so far. You know, 3 sets of tracks, complete sets. That's, I think they owe us some tracks. No doubt about it. Drive your dad's? Want to drive mine? Mine's hooked up to a video camera.
I think yours is more zippy than mine.
Yeah, you got to get used to it. Have fun. Yeah, don't dig a hole.
I'm not gonna make a hole. We're probably on top of the fire.
Oh, no, almost. Fire pit's right over here.
Right there?
Almost. Yeah, right in there. Right in there somewhere. Somewhere in there is a fire pit. You go up the mountain. Mine's pulling harder on the left than it is on the right for some reason. I hear my tracks making noise. My tracks lasted a long time with a lot of abuse. They are, yeah, maybe they're just a little bit slappy happy. Might be a little slap happy. Yeah, we almost got each other. That always happens. Our 2 trucks are magnetically attracted. Yeah, for some reason, mine's pulling harder on the left track than it is on the right, or harder on the right than it is on the left.
Mine does that too.
It does matter which ESC you plug in first, it seems like.
This back case I plugged in the left one first.
Hard to catch up with this one. Oh yeah, I thought your dad was driving for a second.
No, it's still me.
Ah, upside down. Yeah, don't try to get me. You'll get stuck too.
I'm not going to.
I'm gonna put a footprint right here in the middle of it. Oh, nice. I almost tagged you. Nice. Almost tagged you. All right, coming right for you. Can't trust your uncle.
Or me.
All right, or you. We almost got each other again.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not used to my.
Ah, upside down again. And my truck's running on the original tracks. Once again, Ian's Trail King's running on the original track. And we've got bigger motors and better pinion gears and putting more power to them. That's the moral of the story. And it's still holding up fine. Yeah, the Kyosho Blizzards are a lot of fun. Not so maybe not so much to film or to watch on film, but they certainly are a blast to run around. There's no doubt about it. When it comes to driving through the deep snow, really there's nothing else out there that can drive through the deep snow like a Snowcat. Whether it's the Piston Bully or a Kyosho Blizzard, they handle the snow perfectly. Really unstoppable for the most part. Snow depth isn't slowing them down, that's for sure.
Well, what happened there?
You got stuck. You dug in.
Taking it home.
Acclimating your vehicles. You have to acclimate your vehicle beforehand. If you properly acclimate your vehicle, you won't have to worry about snow sticking to it. We had these vehicles sitting outside in a plastic sled for a few hours before we came out here. Absolutely no problems with snow sticking to the vehicle. If you don't acclimate, you'll get these big ice balls building up on your drive tubs and ice cams building up on your wheels, which is stressful on your tracks. Right? Buggy's still learning how to drive.
Yeah. Ah.
This is the first time we've had these out this year.
The right side, the right stick, you got to back off just a little bit to hold it straight.
Right stick is driving harder than the left.
Pull the back, right side back off a little bit. It'll usually hold pretty steady. Sometimes you gotta.
Well, it seems like for me, when I drive yours and I drive straight, mine goes every which way. But then again, I'm still getting used to mine.
Cool.
Hey, man. Hey, man.
Ah, I'm buried. I'm buried. Got a lot of track hop too. Track slap.
Now I get snowed up.
Yeah, a little bit. It's not sticking to it though.
No.
Oh, I thought you were coming right for me, man. You almost got me. Oh, I thought you were coming right for me, man. You almost got me.
That's why I quick stopped.
Yeah, quick stop. Quick stop is right. Hmm?
Why don't you bring it right
Hey,
around
keep
the
stopping. Don't stop immediately when you land. It's hard on the drivetrain. Better off just staying on it. Any vehicle.
Oh.
Oh, I came in on my one side. Came in high on the one side. Ah. I don't know how many times I rolled it over there so far. Three,
I
four.
think that's the third time. Or maybe it's the fourth.
Mine's a little bit heavier. Hard plastic body. Price you pay for a cool body. Ah,
Rule number one.
fetch. Slap, 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 slap. On up the mountain we go. Till they hit a tree or something.
That's why I haven't been going.
Try not to hit a tree.
That's why I'm not going way up there.
Slap, 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 slap. Yeah, my tracks might be a little bit too loose.
Sounds like a bunch of
Slap, 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 slap. Ah, back in that hole again. Almost made it. Almost made it. I think I can make it this time. There we go. Beat it down enough I can make it up it.
I went the wrong way.
Ah! I was going to whip it around and stab the gas and try to wheelie up the other side. It was a failed attempt. Oh! Oh! You drove right across the bottom of me. That was perfect, really. You couldn't get it much better than that. Well, you certainly were going full force.
I went more to the right.
You're going full, right down the tracks. It was all right. You used my tracks for like a loading ramp, landing ramp.
I was trying to.
Load it like a boat trailer.
It seems like it's making more noise now.
Seems a little slappier.
Yeah, it does seem a little slappier.
Maybe you take a look at them.
Well, they're still attached. Maybe a little looser than normal. Slap it on the running boards of the vehicle, on the truck, on the body. All right, taking the paint off. Oh, maybe we got a broken body mount. We got a broken body mount.
No wonder it's
That's
slapping.
why.
No wonder she's so slap happy. Oh, bummer. Well, that's a custom one too. That's a Traxxas Hawk body mount. Good luck finding one of those.
Well, at least now you know how I was making the noise.
Yeah, making extra noise from the tracks. Well, it still works. She's just a little slap happy. Oh, watch out for doggy stuff over there. You're in the minefield. All right, that's going to do it, boys and girls. Kind of a somewhat failed run. We've got one Kyosho Blizzard King with a blown track, mine with some broken body mounts, and the Trail King's still going strong over there. Trail King's been a champion since day one. Great vehicle. No problems with those. Kyosho was on the ball when they were cranking out those. And it's been relatively flawless. All right, that's going to do it, boys and girls. Very much appreciated for y'all sticking around and watching the video. And we will see you all on the next one. Thanks again.